Good morning, first graders. I hope you were able to check out my book yesterday that I read, and I thought I would do it again today. Today we have The Goat and the Singing Wolf. And remember, as you read, after the end of the story, you're going to be asked to sequence the events. So you're going to be asked to tell what happened at the beginning, what happened in the middle, and what happened at the end. The Goat and the Singing Wolf. A young goat was walking across a field. Suddenly a hungry wolf jumped out of the bushes. The goat ran for his life, but the wolf soon caught him. The hungry wolf licked his lips. He opened his jaws to eat the goat. "Wait!" cried the goat before the wolf could gobble him up. "Do me one favor before you eat me," he begged. "What favor is that?" asked the wolf. "It's a small thing, really," said the goat. "I want to hear music once more in my life," said the goat. "Would you please sing me a song before you eat me?" The wolf thought for a moment. Why not?" he laughed. "I can still eat you when I'm done singing," the wolf growled. So the wolf began to howl out a song for the goat. His mighty voice was loud and strong. A pack of dogs lived nearby on a farm. The wolf's howls soon brought the farmer's dogs running. The pack of dogs quickly chased off the wolf. The young goat laughed when he saw the wolf run away. "That was the best song I ever heard," he chuckled. The wolf learned an important lesson that day. Do not become distracted when a goal is within reach. And at the end of this story, I like to think that the goat also learned a lesson. The goat learned never give up. Even when you think there's no other choice or no other way, try to think of something else because it might just work. Remember, you're going to retell the story, the beginning, what happens at the beginning, what happens in the middle, and what happens at the end. I miss you guys. I'll see you at our Zoom on Friday. Bye.